In this problem, we have an equation that has some variables, or a variable, in two denominators. We have the equation 4 over x minus 4 over the quantity x plus 2 equals 1. In order to solve this, I first want to clear the fractions by multiplying by the least common multiple of the denominators. The least common multiple of the denominators, which are x and x plus 2, is their product. I can write the LCM is x times x plus 2. So I multiply both sides of the equation by this. I have x times x plus 2 times, and then I multiply it by the entire left side of the equation, 4 over x minus 4 over x plus 2 equals, now I multiply the other side by the least common multiple, x times x plus 2 times 1. Now when I multiply this, I will actually get x times x plus 2 times 4 over x minus x times x plus 2 times 4 over x plus 2, and that equals x times x plus 2 times 1. Now that I have this distributed here, I can do the multiplication. When I get done with this next step, I shouldn't have any denominators. Multiplying, I have x times x plus 2 times 4 all over x. The x in the numerator and the x in the denominator will cancel, and I'll be left with x plus 2 times 4. When I multiply here, I have x times x plus 2 times 4 divided by x plus 2. The factor x plus 2 in the numerator will cancel with the x plus 2 in the denominator, and I'll be left with x times 4. And on the right-hand side, I still have x times x plus 2, which I can multiply out and get x squared plus 2x. And as I planned, there are no denominators left here. Then I need to multiply. I have 4x plus 8 minus 4x equals x squared plus 2x. I need to continue solving. I have 4x plus 8 minus 4x equals x squared plus 2x. And now I need to get a 0 on one side of the equation. First of all, 4x minus 4x is 0. So this is simply 8 equals x squared plus 2x. Subtracting 8 on both sides, I get 0 equals x squared plus 2x minus 8. Now I have a quadratic equation in the form that I need it in order to solve it, and I first of all try to factor. If this factors, it factors into two binomial factors, where x is the first term in the binomials. Are there two numbers whose product is negative 8 and whose sum is 2? Well, yes, there are. Positive 4 and negative 2. So this does factor. And I can solve using the principle of zero products. I have x plus 4 equals 0, or x minus 2 equals 0. Solving, I get x equals negative 4, or x equals 2. Now, when I do clear fractions by multiplying by least common multiple of the denominators, I do have to check my answers in the original equation. I check negative 4 in the original equation and find that it checks. I check 2 in the original equation and find that it checks. After I've checked both solutions, I state that the solutions are negative 4 and 2.